Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. My name is Haji Muhammad Khairul Azha bin Haji Azhari, and together with my team member Hajah Nurnazirah binti Jamalin and Associate Professor Dr. Hajah Zaiton, we are honored to present our innovation INC OKU Smart Vehicle Plate. Today I will explain the problem we identified, our proposed solution, and how this innovation can create a more inclusive and accessible Malaysia. The current vehicle identification system for OKU users relies heavily on physical stickers. Unfortunately, this system has several weaknesses. First, fake OKU stickers are easily available and can be purchased at a very low cost. Because of this, many non-eligible drivers misuse parking spaces that are specifically reserved for OKU genuine users. As a result, people who truly need these facilities are often denied access. Second, enforcement officers face difficulties in verifying whether a sticker is genuine or fake. This creates uncertainty and sometimes lead to genuine OKU drivers being questioned or wrongly penalized. Third, the word OKU displayed on vehicle may unintentionally create a social stigma. Instead of focusing on the person's right to accessibility, attention is placed on the person's disability. These issues show that Malaysia needs a more modern and inclusive approach. Our solution is the INC Smart Vehicle Plate. The name INC stands for inclusive. Instead of displaying the word OKU, registered vehicle will use a special registration format such as INC1234. This simple change promotes dignity and creates a more positive public perception. The plate is designed with a soft blue reflective background, black lettering, and the Malaysian flag, making it highly visible during both day and night. The innovation combines both physical and digital technologies. First, a secure QR code is embedded on the plate. Enforcement officers can scan the code and instantly verify the registration status through a centralized database without exposing personal information. Second, an RFID chip is embedded within the plate. This allows smart parking system to automatically recognize registered vehicle and provide access to designated accessibility parking areas. Third, the system is supported by integration between Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat and JPJ database, ensuring that only eligible individuals can obtain and use the INC plate. The INC Smart Vehicle Plate creates significant benefits. From a social perspective, it promotes dignity, privacy, and empowerment. It encourages society to focus on inclusivity rather than disability. From a security perspective, it helps eliminate fraud. Fake stickers become unnecessary because verification can be completed instantly through QR scanning and RFID technology. From an enforcement perspective, local authorities can confidently identify legitimate users and take action against abusers without uncertainty. Most importantly, it improves accessibility and independence for OKU drivers by reducing barriers when using parking facilities and other public services. This innovation also offers strong commercialization opportunities. The system can be introduced nationwide through collaboration with the Ministry of Transport, JPJ, and JKM as a standardized national platform. Production of these special plates can be licensed to approved manufacturers, creating a sustainable business ecosystem. In the future, the technology can also be integrated with shopping malls, hospitals, airport, and smart city parking system, creating a seamless accessibility experience across Malaysia. In conclusion, the INC Smart Vehicle Plate is not just a vehicle plate. It is a symbol of inclusive mobility, dignity, and smart governance. By combining QR verification, RFID technology, and integrated government database, we can eliminate fraud, improve enforcement and empower the OKU community with greater independence. We believe this innovation can help position Malaysia as a leading nation in accessibility, inclusivity, and smart city development. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.